In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link. Whether you're organizing a virtual business meeting or planning a casual catch-up with friends, creating a Google Meet link is a straightforward process that lets you connect with others seamlessly and efficiently. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice. You can use any browser, but for the best experience, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google Meet homepage by typing in meet.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Upon landing on the Google Meet homepage, you will see a variety of options designed to help you connect easily. Look for the button labeled New Meeting. It's usually placed prominently on the page, making it easy to find. After you click on New Meeting, you'll be presented with a few options. For our purpose today, go ahead and select the option that says Create a Meeting for Later. This option is perfect if you're planning an event in advance and want to get all the logistical details sorted out early. It will generate a special link and a meeting code that you'll use to invite others. When you select Create a Meeting for Later, a new window will pop up displaying your meeting link and meeting code. This information is crucial because this is what you'll share with your attendees so they can join at the scheduled time. To make sharing easier, Google Meet provides a handy copy link icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Clicking on this icon will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. Now your link is ready to be shared with your guests. You have several options for getting this link to them. You might choose to paste the link into an email invitation if you're formally scheduling a meeting. Alternatively, if you're organizing a more informal gathering, you could share the link via chat apps or even during a phone call. Just tell your guests to paste this link into their browser when it's time to join the meeting. Creating a Google Meet link is that simple. With just a few clicks, you can be connected with anyone, anywhere. This process offers a major convenience, allowing you to focus on the content of your meeting rather than technical details. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this process a couple of times to get comfortable. Each time, you'll become faster and more efficient, making you a pro at setting up virtual meetings in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more resources or replay the video as needed. Until next time, happy